Today we are diving into a crucial topic, leaky gut syndrome. We'll discuss what it is, the common symptoms, and I'll share valuable tips backed by the latest research to help you manage and overcome it naturally. So let's get started. What is leaky gut syndrome? Leaky gut syndrome occurs when the lining of your intestines becomes more permeable, allowing undigested food particles, toxins and microbes to leak into your bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and a host of health issues, such as IBS, celiac disease, skin conditions like acne and eczema, obesity, type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, and even brain fog. So how do you know you have leaky gut syndrome? Some common signs include digestive issues such as bloating, gas and diarrhea, IBS symptoms like severe abdominal pain and irregular bowel movements, increased food sensitivity, skin problems like acne or eczema, joint pain, autoimmune conditions such as type 2 diabetes, MS and lupus, mood swings, anxiety and depression. So if you are experiencing a combination of these symptoms, it might be time to consider leaky gut syndrome as a possible underlying cause. Here are some tips to overcome leaky gut syndrome naturally. Number 1, avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and alcohol. These can irritate and damage the gut lining. Opt for natural pain relievers and limit alcohol consumption. Research indicates that these substances can exacerbate gut permeability. Number 2, bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. It's rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, which can help repair the gut lining. You can drink bone broth on its own or use it as a base for soups or add it to recipes for extra flavor and nutrients. Number 3, L-glutamine. This is an amino acid that supports the integrity of the intestinal lining. It helps to reduce inflammation and repair the gut barrier. This can be taken as a supplement, often available in powder form, which can be mixed with water or in smoothies. Number 4, omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fish oil, flax seeds, and chia seeds. They have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gut inflammation. You can include fatty fish like salmon and mackerel in your diet or take fish oil supplements. Flax seeds and chia seeds can be added to smoothies, oatmeal or salads. Number 5, herbs. Herbs such as slippery elm and aloe vera have soothing properties that can help heal the gut lining. Slippery elm forms a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the intestines, while aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Slippery elm can be taken as a tea or in supplement form. Aloe vera juice can be consumed directly, but make sure it's specifically labeled for internal use. Number 6, probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are excellent sources. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods daily into your diet. Remember to keep stress levels under control, as high levels of cortisol can lead to inflammation in the body. Your journey to wellness starts with small, manageable steps. You have the power to heal your body. Stay positive, stay informed, and most importantly, stay proactive about your health.